Hey guys, I am on my way to Long Beach for the Acura Grand Prix. This is the first time I've gone. I wanted to go for many years. I'm taking the Type S with me. This thing, let's go. Traffic sucked getting out of Phoenix. But now we're in Quartzsite. You guys look it up. Quartzsite, Arizona. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some really bad food, use the restroom, and keep on pushing. Take a look at this thing. Pass it on the highway. That thing is sick. You never know what's gonna pop up in Quartzsite. So I talked to the guy who owns the truck, and he did all that custom work on it. Probably got hundreds of thousands of dollars in that thing. Also, I got served by a woman named Crystal working in the town of Quartzsite. All right, I made it to Ryan's house. It's over here somewhere. Although he just said, "Where you at?" So now I gotta figure out if I blew past his house. You guys know this is the first YouTube video this NSX has been in, other than like a couple shorts that somebody else actually filmed. Guys, look at this man cave setup. Look at that. All the drinks, let's zoom in a little bit more. It's got the piggyback 6. All of those are his own brand that he's doing. The 1350 brand. It's gonna be on One Drink Wednesday with myself and Wes Tankersley. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna go to the Grand Prix. This is my bed behind me. Thank you for my good friend, Ryan, hooking it up for me to have a place to stay. I've had a couple pops. He has a bourbon called 1350, so if you guys want to check that out, 1350 out of Colorado Springs. I better go to bed. It's like 12:40 in the morning or something. But for those of you who are still watching this, you're the realest. I appreciate you. Okay, so this is adobo, and it is the quintessential Filipino food. According to Ryan, if you fuck that up, you might as well change your nationality, right? Okay, we're getting ready to go to the Grand Prix, and Ryan just made me some delicious Filipino food. I am stuffed, and I'm getting ready to do a ride-along around the track. So now I'm questioning my decisions. Also, I didn't get an opportunity to clean the windshield. Look at those. Or the car. Barely making it. All right, here we go. Pretty sure we're not gonna make it because it's 9:54, we still have to pick up our credentials and then check in, park, and then get to the Acura area. So probably no ride along today. Guys, check out that Ioniq 5N. Nice, thing was great. Yeah, we blew past the time. Late as hell. It's 10:34. All right, we made it.
That's it, we're in.
We're in.
We're in the corral.
We're in the corral, monitored by police officers. Long Beach's finest. So, some of you don't get to see NSXs very often. We see them daily. We live in them. Dude, you guys gotta check this out. We ran into a guy who has an NSX, and this tells you how legit it is. What car do you drive, sir?
The 91 NSX.
There you go.
Picture,
Look at
picture.
that. Woo! So we're getting a ride over to the main entrance right now. How's that? Auto Cannon officially licensed, as you guys know, proud sponsor of Hard Parking. Look at that. Old school, but new school.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
What up, Jhae? Man, no, it's just great to be here. I think one of the cool things is, again, thank you, Jhae, for having us on your podcast. I am going to come down, visit you in your studio, and we'll do a podcast. We'll have some fun. But just one of the things I'd like to share is that when I started in the import tuner industry back in the 90s, when I first bought my brand new GSR, I had no idea it would change my life. And think about this, I went from a street racer, which I don't condone anymore,
Sure.
but I was a street racer back in the day, driving, building Hondas, And then look at where we are today, literally representing Honda and Acura and being a merchandising partner with them domestically and internationally, making amazing products, apparel, comics, and everything we can imagine. We really appreciate Honda and Acura's support of us. And it's just an amazing dream come true. And that's one of the things I want to tell your viewers, like, I guess you know that whole cliche, you can dream it, it can happen. And it's just amazing that we're even standing here together right now under the booth for Acura, with all this merch representing them. It's so sick. Like, where does that happen, Jay? How does this happen?
Right here in Long Beach.
Oh man, but it's been amazing. It's a blessing. I want to thank you guys and the team and Honda and Acura and everyone that makes this happen. This just didn't happen by itself. And but anyways, completely blessed. And everyone who supported all of our autocannon launches, Max Boost launches, SGR, all of it. Thank you to everyone.
Okay, we finally made it to the Acura section. Take a look around. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. You want to see what the inside of a ZDX looks like? No third row. This can be yours, starting at $68,000. We are now inside the Expo Center. As you can see behind me, there's a ton of Acuras. Let's take a look at them. You gotta see this. Yeah, so now we're in the expo section. You guys check it out. What? I'll be honest with you guys, I don't really feel like going through everything, so I'm gonna show you really quick. Oh yeah. There it is. I think it's the new NSX. That's pretty dope. Woo! I've never seen these things before. There it is, powered by Honda. Some of my favorite colors.
We struggle a little bit with good barbecue in Southern California.
Yeah?
So this is like, you know, if you want to get a good fix, this is a spot. Unless I would make it for you, then, you know.
Are you saying you're better than Lucille's to make a barbecue?
I think I am, but, you know, I'm not a multi-million-dollar
Because
franchise.
you're Filipino?
Yes, because I am Filipino.
So Filipino's barbecue.
Filipino barbecue, baby.
All right.
Let's go.
So we are at Lucille's, like Ryan said. Trying to get some eats. Good stuff. What do we got here? Oh,
The bird
leatherneck. And this thing went like double gold, right? Yep.
Sir.
Nice.
Everybody, 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 everybody.
Beer. English for beer. Well, hi, ladies.
Hi.
This is the white.
I had to.
Maybe they let me drive that one last year. I think it may
Check out this ZDX Type S. They say it's got more horsepower and torque than the NSX Type S.
The funky beat.
We are headed to do the ride-alongs. Type S, I wonder what that feels like.
Nice to meet you, Jay. Have you ever done this before?
I have not.
All right. You ever been to this event?
I have not.
All right, man. You're in for a treat then.
I am.
See the perspective from the race car driver's point of view, and take a lap around Long Beach.
Be a good deal. Nice.
Do that for a lap around Long Beach.
Lap around Long Beach. I
All right,
appreciate
thanks for
you.
joining us. Thanks, my man.
Thank you.
Have a good day, all right?
Okay, that ride along was super cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all I got for you right now. right, guys, that concludes my weekend at Long Beach. Getting ready to drive home by myself for like 6 hours. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hit like. Please hit like. Nobody ever hits like. Hit like. I don't care if you subscribe. Just like the video. Give me your comment. What was your best part of what I showed? Sorry there wasn't a lot of races, but there was a lot of relationships, a lot of people that I met, a lot of good times. So I'll see you guys on the next video.